Welcome to a journey that could change your life. Today we're diving into something incredibly powerful, something that can shift your reality, boost your happiness, and help you achieve your dreams. We're talking about the power of positive thinking. Why does positive thinking matter? Our thoughts shape our reality. When we focus on the positive, we attract more positivity into our lives. Think of your mind like a garden. If you plant seeds of positivity, you'll grow a life full of joy, success, and peace. But if you let negativity take root, it can choke out the beauty of your life. Now, let's get into some science. Studies have shown that positive thinking can improve your mental and physical health. It lowers stress, enhances your immune system, and even increases your lifespan. Positive thinkers are also more resilient. They bounce back from setbacks faster and handle challenges with grace. Before we go further, let's bust a few myths. Positive thinking doesn't mean ignoring life's challenges or pretending that bad things don't happen. It's not about being in denial. It's about finding the silver lining, learning from every experience, and believing in your ability to overcome obstacles. So, how do you cultivate positive thinking? It starts with awareness. Pay attention to your inner dialogue. Are your thoughts empowering or limiting? The first step is to catch those negative thoughts. Once you notice them, challenge them. Ask yourself, is this thought helping me? Is it even true? Next, practice gratitude. Each day take a moment to appreciate the good in your life, no matter how small. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's right. And surround yourself with positivity, be it people, content, or environments. The more you immerse yourself in positivity, the easier it becomes to maintain a positive mindset. Positive thinking isn't just a mental exercise, it's a life-changing habit. When you think positively, you become more confident, creative, and motivated. You start attracting better opportunities and relationships. You begin to see life as an exciting adventure rather than a series of hurdles. Remember, you are the author of your own story. By choosing positive thoughts, you're writing a narrative of success, happiness, and fulfillment. Here are a few tips to help you stay positive. Number 1, start your day with a positive affirmation. Number 2, limit exposure to negative news and toxic people. Number 3, engage in activities that uplift your spirit, whether it's exercise, hobbies, or meditation. Number 4, practice kindness. It not only makes others feel good, but boosts your own positivity too. Positive thinking is a powerful tool, but like any tool, it requires practice. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. So start today. Shift your thoughts. Change your life. Thank you for watching. If this video inspired, positive thinking is a powerful tool, but like any tool, it requires practice. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. So, start today. Shift your thoughts, change your life. You hit that like button, share it with someone who needs a boost, and subscribe for more content on living your best life. And don't forget to leave a comment. What's one positive thought you're focusing on today?